Welcome all the participants during this COVID-19 pandemic. Hope all are safe and doing well. I, Prabhat Tripathi, Dean, Som Nursing College, on behalf of Director Nursing, welcome you all to this refresher training program on COVID-19. I heartily thank Director Nursing, Madam Dr. Sanjukta Sahu, Registrar Lakshmi Mani Tudu, and Mr. Balchandran, Nursing Consultant Clinical, for this opportunity to interact with you all and all kinds of support to prepare this online video material. As you have oriented to this training session, so this is the refresher training program which will highlight various aspects of COVID-19 from triage to clinical management. I hope you will be definitely benefited by this program. There are 10 sessions that will be taken by various experts from the field of nursing. So let's start with overview of COVID-19. At the end of this session, you will acquire knowledge on onset, transmission, spectrum and severity of COVID-19. Also, you will gain insight into the symptoms, complications and management protocol of COVID-19. You know that the COVID-19 was initially known as 2019 novel coronavirus and later it was renamed officially as COVID-19 by WHO. The coronavirus is of 7 types. 4 varieties produce mild symptoms, while 3 of them cause severe respiratory problems, and all of them belongs to virus SARS. Spectrum of disease. So this is the respiratory virus. So onset is common usually in winter and early spring, and COVID-19 cause mostly mild to moderate symptom. Occasionally they cause pneumonia and sometimes with gastroenteritis. Incubation period it is about 2 to 14 days. Into average is 5 to 7 days. But they spread the disease for long time, that is more than 20 days. A male they are affected more than female. आउ जो माने ओल्ड ग्रुप जो मानकर कोमॉर्बिडिटी अछि लाइक डायबिटीज हाइपरटेंशन दे अफेक्टेड मोर बाय दिस डिजीज. So transmission, so virus केमती transmit हुए. So virus spread through respiratory droplets while person sneeze, cough, talk or sing. So it may be through direct contact or indirect contact with infected person. Those saliva or respiratory droplets present in air or surface. In direct contact within 1 to 2 meter, virus enter into the eye, nose or mouth, and in air it remains for 3 hours to 16 hours, and in surface for many hours or it can stay up to many days. Symptoms. So the symptoms may appear from 2 to 14 days after the exposure of disease and even more in some person. Very common symptoms are fever, cough and tiredness. किंतु early symptom हमरो loss of smell और taste आगुरु देखा जिवो. And later symptoms like dyspnea, muscle ache, sore throat, headache, runny nose, loss of appetite ये सब देखा जाई पारे. कॉमन सिम्पटम को छाड़ी की लेस कॉमन सिम्पटम जोड़ा देखा जाए पेशेंट पाखे से गुड़ा होची फैरिंजाइटिस, प्रोडक्टिव कफ, डायरिया, एब्डोमिनल पेन एंड स्किन रैश. किंतु सीवियर कंडीशन रे हमरो हेमोप्टिसिस, चेस्ट पेन, लॉस ऑफ स्पीच, मूवमेंट, confusion that also can appear with the person and with multi-organ dysfunction. In diagnostic approach, so person is suspected to have COVID-19 when early symptoms of fever, cough, dyspnea appears followed by myalgia or muscle pain. So these are the clinical symptoms. So we can suspect the person may have COVID-19. But there are 2 types of testing usually done. That is, one is viral testing, that is by taking swab from the nose, oropharynx and nasopharynx, which is called real-time your PCR. And another is antigen testing, that is taken from blood, so that is called rapid point of care test. And other supportive test आम करि परिबा सेउडा के होची CBC, chest X-ray, chest CT scan and others. A spectrum of severity of this disease we will see. So according to the severity, this disease may be mild, this may be severe, or it is critical. So mild is about 81%, where there will be no or mild pneumonia, and in severe case the patient may present dyspnea, hypoxia, and that is more than 50% lung involvement on imaging study we can see, and that will be also within 24 to 48 hours. So severe is 14%, and in critical case, that is respiratory failure, shock, or multi-organ dysfunction will appear, and that about 5% people only affected. But our overall case fatality rate 2 to 3%. So in the risk factors, so already we know the persons with comorbidities, so they affected more with this disease and they are prone for this COVID-19. So those persons, they have cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic lung disease, or any cancer, mostly the hematological cancer, chronic kidney disease, and their obesity, smoking history will be there, and their immunosuppressive conditions are there, and older age more than 60 years. These are the persons, they are more susceptible to COVID-19. So complications, so जेहेतु एटा आमर रेस्पिरेटरी प्रोब्लेम्स रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम को बेसी अफेक्ट करे भाइरस, तेणु आमर ARDS होची मोस्ट कॉमन कॉम्प्लिकेशन. तापरे आमर एटा आमर अफेक्ट करे थ्रोम्बो एम्बोलिक कॉम्प्लिकेशंस, जोटी क्लॉटिंग फैक्टर गुडा आमर प्रोब्लेम रुए, and then we will have the heart or cardiovascular system will be affected, the acute kidney injury will be there, neurology complication may be there, and there may develop septic shock along with liver injury. So these are the complications of COVID-19. So every management of COVID-19, so management amar depend करछि severity उपरे. So mild case रे जोटी आमर आइसोलेशन आ सिम्पटोमेटिक मैनेजमेंट लाइक आमर फीवर मैनेजमेंट, हेडेक मैनेजमेंट, से सब माइल्ड सिम्पटम्स पेशेंट पाइंगे आमर दरकार हुए. आउ जोटी मॉडरेट सिम्पटम्स, सो दे कैन बी मैनेज्ड बाय ऑक्सीजनेशन फॉर डिस्निया, एंटीकोआगुलेशन जदि कोआगुलेशन प्रोफाइल प्रॉब्लम थाए, एंटीबायोटिक और एंटीवायरल थेरापी, एंड समटाइम कॉर्टिकोस्टेरॉइड थेरापी इज रिक्वायर्ड. किंतु सिवियर केस रे जोटी प्रॉब्लम आमर रेस्पिरेटरी प्रॉब्लम्स आमर बेसी थाए, सेठी आमर क्रिटिकल केयर मैनेजमेंट आईसीयू रे करा जाए विथ वेंटिलेटर सपोर्ट. Thank you all. So if you have any queries or doubts regarding any session, please post your question in the chat box, which will be answered by our experts. So thank you.